Welcome to Minis and Motorbikes. I think we're missing somebody. Oh, hey! What? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ay, caramba!
What are you doing there?
I was busy. You've got to give someone warning.
It's Sunday afternoon. It's 5 o'clock. What have you been? What are you doing? Anyway?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry, skip over that. Oh, blimey. Blimey, beaming someone in like that.
What were you doing, man?
I didn't beam in quite as well as they do on Star Trek. I appreciate that, but anyway.
Yeah, got a little bit more finesse.
Anyway. Oh, blimey.
Oh, settle yourself in. You alright?
It's hot beaming in like that.
It's nice to see you anyway.
Well, it's nice to see you. That's what I would prefer to a bit more notice, but never mind. Anyway, all right. Well, I guess we're doing the film, aren't we, for the introduction?
Yeah,
that's what you beamed me in for. Right, okay. All right.
Well, you said any time, didn't you? So, yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, we're doing a little 1 minute film.
Yeah.
Just to give you something to explain about what the delay has been. We were hoping to have this up and running a long time back, but COVID came along back March, April time, and you just put the kibosh and everything. We managed to get a couple of things filmed. We filmed a Harley Davidson and a CCM, and we've also filmed a Ford Steeder. So they're all put together and ready to go. But of course we can't show you any of that footage yet because it's going to be cut in when Adam is doing up his Mini and sorting all of that out. That's the main part of the whole thing. So we are going to go off and interview some other people. We've got some celebrity guests as well, which will be a surprise coming along, which hopefully will be entertaining to watch. But the main thing is Adam's Mini, which...
And we've got a motorbike as well.
Well, we've got a motorbike as well, yeah, hence the Minis and Motorbikes. Yeah. But the Mini being the main thing to start with. So what are you doing again, sir?
Yeah, it's a MPI shell. Someone gave me a shell and it's just been sitting about up the workshop. I thought it was about time we did something with it. I don't want to see it die because it's a good shell actually. We're going to put a solid rear axle on it, coilovers all round, probably 12-inch wheels on it. We're going to put discs on the back of it as well. They're going to come off of a Citroen Saxo VTR. I think with a little bit of tinkering they'll be able to fit straight onto the Mini. Rear arms we got. Yeah, that's about it really. It's just going to be a hill climb car. Going to go through everything that you do building a racing car, stripping all the underseal off, making it as light as possible. Fiberglass front end, fiberglass bonnet, fiberglass boot, fiberglass doors. Perspex windows, polycarbonate windows apart from the window screen because I think you have to have a window screen as part of the motor racing regulations. But the engine, that's the bit of contention because everybody's putting Honda engines in it and Rover engines in it. So I think I'm going to have a go at putting a Renault 5 turbo engine in it, sort of keeping it in with the homage to the ERA. I'm going to put an ERA body kit on it. Yeah, and it'll be basically hill climb and track day car. We'll have a bit of fun in it as well and hopefully film that once it's finished. If it gets finished.
If it gets finished, yeah. We're getting there. We're getting there. And you're probably sitting there wondering why I'm wearing a Fez hat. That'll all become apparent as well because it's all part of the Fez Club. So people that we interview and film their cars and bikes will become members of the Fez Club. So
we've got the house band as well.
Yeah, we've got the house band coming in as well, the Mighty Macca, so they'll be standing on the side and doing some music for us as well, and adding a little bit, and we'll just sort of kind of see how things go.
Dave.
Oh, we got Dave the Motley Rabbit. He'll be putting in an appearance every now and again. Yeah, and we'll see if we can put it all together. So hopefully the next time you see us, you'll be watching a full-blown episode of Minis and Motorbikes. So hit the subscribe button, wherever that is, if it's down here or up there, because I haven't edited this together yet, so I don't know where it is, but wherever it is, hit that. Hit the bell as well, and then you'll be notified when the first video goes up. Yeah, so you don't miss it. So hopefully see you soon.
Yeah.
I could even stand up, look, at this point, look. I could even stand up and come over and...
Mark?
And turn the camera. What?
Mark.
I'm here.
Mark.